To fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. After that, tap on it. Now what you have to do is to tap on apps and notifications. Then after that, what you have to do is to wait. After loading, you're going to see your apps over here. Then you tap on it. So now tap on the see your apps. Wait for it to load. So now search for British Airways app, and as you can see, it's even around this place. You can scroll to search for it, and there's it. So you tap on it. Then after that, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on permissions, and allow them to access the camera and also the calendar. So after allowing every permission, go to storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back, tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is turned on. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still good on. Go back, and what you have to do lastly is to go to Google Play Store and check the latest update. After updating it, what you have to do lastly is to tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. See you in the next video.